And look at these prejudiced, racist Islamophobes and their hilarious posts. Look at this post. What does he say? Pakistani Islamic terrorist. Wow. Uthman ibn Farooq threatens Americans. What does he think that I'm threatening America with? It says America will be a Muslim country. That's not a threat. I'd love for Islam to spread in America. I'm a Muslim. I have that right. By the constitution of this country, I have my views and I have my religious freedoms, just like you do. And I'm a citizen of this country just like you are. And I have just as much right to be here as you do. But what does he continue to quote me with? He says that Islam will enter every home. Yes, as the internet has opened up information about Islam has entered every home. And people from different families and different areas are accepting Islam of their own will. Nobody's forcing it, and nobody said we will force it. Then he says, they can get as angry as they want. I don't care. And that's absolutely true. I don't care what you think. You can get angry or be happy. I have the right to my opinion, and that's guaranteed as a human being and as a citizen of this country. Now, then he continues, at ICE Gov, he's now in Texas eating a sandwich. Send him to his home in Pakistan. Bro, you don't understand what this country is about. It's not your country. You can't just kick people out because you don't like them. I'm a citizen of this country and I have the right to be here. You don't like it, you can leave. Last thing I'll say about this, look at the comment underneath. Feed him some pork first and then shave his beard. Wow, what great representation of Christianity. Do you think Jesus would eat that pork? Would you shave Jesus' beard? We as Muslims follow Jesus more than you. We don't eat pork. Jesus didn't eat pork. We have beards. Jesus had a beard. We pray with our head to the ground to the one true God. Jesus prayed with his head to the ground to the one true God. We love Jesus and emulate him in our character and our worship more than you. I'm here, not scared of ICE,